I did my project on the deciduous forest. I chose this biome because I like the forest a lot. I hunt there, and I'm in the forest a lot. The weather in this biome is is pretty good. The average temperature is about 50 degrees. There's 30 to 60 inches of precipitation each year. You can find the deciduous forest in the eastern half of America, Middle Europe, Asia, Russia, New Zealand, and Australia. Some interesting facts I found. Well, there are four distinct seasons: summer, spring, winter, and fall. And I found the plants I found were the Golgi rose, which is snowy white, has a flat head which is 3 to 5 inches long, 5 petals on each flower, and can grow to 5 to 10 feet tall. It also has red berries on it. It lives here because it likes low altitudes, semi-shade, edges of wood, and cool climates. The next plant that I found was the northern arrowwood. It has dark green oval leaves which are 4 inches long and 3 inches wide. It has small white or pink flowers. It has a blue-black fruit that looks fleshy. It lives here because it likes the wetland. It lives along rivers, streams, and lakes. The next plant that I found was the white birch. It is a small, medium-sized tree. It can grow to 70 to 80 feet tall. It has a short lifespan of only 140 years. The bark can be easily peeled off, and it has several stems. It lives here because it prefers a cold climate and a lot of shade. The next plant that I found was the American birch. It is a tall and wide tree. It can grow to 90 to 100 feet tall and 50 to 70 feet wide. It has a pale gray trunk color. It lives here because it has a shallow root system. It likes bottom land and upland soil. Now, some of the animals I found were the white-tailed deer. It has a gray and red fur color. The males have antlers and females have no antlers. They can grow to 3 to 3.5 feet tall. It can be up to 400 pounds. Its diet consists of plants, nuts, acorns, buds of trees, maple twigs, and maple leaves. It lives here because it has easily camouflage and has a good food source. The next animal that I found was the American black bear. It has no shoulder hump like the grizzly bear does. It can run up to 25 miles per hour and can weigh up to 220 to 595 pounds. It has a heel-toe walking movement, can have black and brown fur, and can grow 5 to 6 feet tall. Its diet consists of 75% of plants and other vegetation, and 25% is carnivorous, which consists of honey, small mammals, and insects. It lives here because it is a good food source, top of the food web, and it kills off elderly and weak populations of other populations of animals. The last animal that I found was the least weasel. It has a dirt brown fur color, and the hair on his hair is only 6 inches long. His body is 4 to 10 inches long, and it can weigh up to 1.5 to 8 pounds, and it has black eyes. Its diet consists of mice, rats, moles, small birds, eggs, and rabbits. It lives here because it has plenty of food supply, easy cover, but they are starting to move from this area because they are starting to become endangered. And that was my project on the deciduous forest.